Hey guys, this is Idhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a birthday haul and I'm going to share with you everything that I got for my birthday. So many of you guys requested for it as well, so that is what I'm doing. My birthday was on the 29th of January if you guys didn't know. I was actually just shooting videos all day long and I shot 2 videos for you guys and I was about to edit them and then I realized that there was some problem with the sound and I couldn't fix it. So I am back here and I'm reshooting them for you. I really hope you like this video. Most of them are beauty products. There is just one non-beauty item that I got. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. But before we begin, if you are new to my channel, then please hit that red subscribe button. It will really mean a lot. And next to it, there's a bell icon as well. Click on that so that you get notified with everything that I'm uploading on my channel. It'll be like a nice birthday gift to me as well if you do hit that button. So please, it'll really mean a lot and I really appreciate the support as well. So yeah, let's get started. So as I mentioned that I got a lot of beauty products. So first we're going to start off with a non-beauty item because it's just one. And this is what it looks like. So this is a pair of nude heels that I got from Mango and I just love the shape of this. It makes my feet look really nice. And the heel is also really appropriate. It's not too high. And yeah, it fits my feet really well as well. And yeah, they are just so stunning and I love them. Now moving on to beauty products. So all of these things are actually given to me by my sister and my Jiju. So thank you so much to them because they were really kind enough to get me everything that I wanted because they had been to Singapore and they got me everything. So yeah, thank you so much. So we're going to start off with all the beauty products one by one. So the first thing that I got is actually this primer by Tarte and this is the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer and this is what it looks like. So I'd heard great reviews about this. So if you are a person who has a lot of texture or pores and you really want to just smooth that out, then this is a really good primer to have. So this is the first thing that I got. The second thing is this Marc Jacobs Instamarc Light Filtering Contour Powder and I just love the packaging of Marc Jacobs products. Just look at this. It's so beautiful and I just love it. It's so sophisticated and it's just stunning. I'm just going to show you the product inside. So as you can see, this is a contour powder and then this is a highlighting powder. So this is a yellow one which you can set your makeup with and then it has a huge mirror. And yeah, I really love this. So what I had done is I had actually given them a list of products that I really wanted and that is what they got me from Singapore, Sephora. And yeah, this is in the shade 40 Mirage filter. I'm obviously going to leave all the products in the description box below so it's easier for you guys. The next thing that I got is the It Cosmetics CC cream and this is what that looks like and this has SPF of 50 in it. This is perfect for everyday use as well. And there are 3 shades available in this, which is really sad, like light, medium and dark. I got the medium shade. This is slightly lighter for my skin but I'm going to make it work. And yeah, I really wanted to try this out, so let's see how it works. The next product I just wanted to restock because you know this is not available anywhere online as well. So this is the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer and this is what it looks like. So this is in the shade Ginger and I really love this concealer, so that is the reason I got a backup for this. And yeah, I think that Nars is available on a website called as Nordstrom. I'm going to leave it in the description box below. So it's actually a multi-brand website and store in the US and they do ship to India, which is really nice. It's just that the duties and shipping and everything is really expensive. But if you want to try new makeup, like international makeup that you do not get in India, then definitely check that website out. All the latest products are available over there. And also Fenty Beauty also delivers to India. So there is a website which stocks Fenty Beauty and that website delivers to India. I had actually mentioned it on my Snapchat as well. So that is the reason I tell you guys to follow me on Snapchat because I gave all the sneak peeks and updates over there first. So I'm going to leave that again in the description box for you guys. The next thing is again a foundation. I do not know why I have been obsessed with base products. So firstly, there was this time when I used to buy a lot of lipsticks and I think because I purchased so many lipsticks in Milan, I got tired of that and that is the reason now I have been buying a lot of foundations recently. So this is actually the Giorgio Arrmani Long Wear High Coverage Power Fabric Foundation and this is what it looks like. I actually wanted to try the Luminous Silk Foundation but they did not have my shade in it, which is really sad. But yeah, I got my shade in this particular foundation. Okay, so this is in the shade 6, and look at the packaging, it's so beautiful. And obviously I'm going to use this and test it out, and this has SPF of 25 in it, which is also really nice. The next is the Badescu drying lotion, which looks like this. I have mentioned this in my skincare video as well, and if you haven't seen it, make sure you watch it, because I talk about some of the best products for Indian skin people, and also I mentioned what products I use for blemishes, pigmentation, then tanning, dark circles, and lip care and everything. So make sure you watch it after this video, because it's a really good one. I give you everything in detail, and also I show you guys how to use skincare products as well. The next is again something that I've mentioned in my skincare video, which is the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to Brighten and Depuff, which looks like this. I've heard great reviews about this, and I wanted to use it for my dark circles, and I do notice that there is some difference. They have started, you know, lightening, so that is what I am been using every day. Next is actually a lip sleeping mask by Laneige or Laneige. I had googled the pronunciation, but I forgot. So this is what it looks like, and this is again something that you use at night for your lips, and this moisturizes your lips really well, so that's the reason I got this. Now the next few products I've actually purchased from Sephora Mumbai. So I got the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour Wear Hydrating Foundation, and this is in the shade 2.3, and this is what that one looks like. Again, as I mentioned that I'm really into trying new foundations, so that's the reason I got this. The next is actually a lipstick by Smashbox, and this is the Be Legendary lipstick in the shade First Time, and this is a matte lipstick, and I actually got this for my mom, and this is the packaging. I just wanted to, you know, show it to you guys, and this is what the shade looks like. Again, this is a really nice pinky nude color. The next lip product that I got is the Burt's Bees Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade 417. Okay, so this is what that looks like. The reason I got this is because, you know, it's all natural. It's supposed to moisturize your lips, and I really love the color as well. So this is what that looks like. Again, it's really similar to the Smashbox, you know, lipstick that I showed you, but I really like those kind of colors. So this is what that looks like. The next two products that I got are from Bobbi Brown, and the first one is the Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks. So this is what that looks like. So it's a cream product that you can use for your lips as well as your cheeks, and this is a really nice rosy pink color. I actually love using a lot of cream products instead of using powder products, because they look really natural as well. The next product is something that I've been wanting for a really long time. So I went to the Bobbi Brown store in Palladium. They did not have it, it was out of stock. And then I went to the Phoenix Kurla store, and finally they had it. And this is actually an eyeshadow. This is the Luxe Eyeshadow Rich Sparkle in the shade Sunflare. Now this is an extremely expensive eyeshadow, but I really wanted to have it because it's so pretty. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute, and then you open this up, and then you have this beautiful eyeshadow. Just look how sparkly and glittery it is, and it looks beautiful once you apply it all over your eyelid or over any eyeshadow as well. So I really wanted to have this, and yeah, this is what I got. The last product is something that I ordered from the US, and it actually came on the day of my birthday, which is really nice. So this is by the brand called as Pat McGrath. So she is a well-renowned makeup artist, and she has her own makeup line. So she came out with these matte trans lipsticks, and they're extremely good quality powdery matte lipsticks. So I thought that, you know, matte lipsticks is something that I really like, and they're very comfortable to wear, and they had very good reviews. So I got this, and this is in the shade Omi. So just look at the packaging firstly, and then you just, like, you know, take this thing off, and I'm just going to show you how beautiful it looks. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is really luxurious, and so is the price. So this is what it looks like, and this is in the shade Omi, as I mentioned. This is a really nice, again, mauvey nude color. I'm just going to swatch this, and it's so creamy. It's beautiful. Just look at this shade right here. So this is what that one looks like. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you loved this birthday haul, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, especially on Snapchat. All the handles are mentioned on the screen. And last but definitely not the least, please hit the subscribe button. It will really mean a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Love you. And may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. Whoa, this is the birthday song. Oh, celebrations all night long. Oh, may all your dreams come true. Let's see that together. And happy birthday to you.